Alright, so now's a good time to start the video because Dad's starting to weld, so we're gonna hear some popcorning. I worked on the 1 series, got that shit done. Oh shit, I gotta fill it with oil. Hold up, BRB. Alright, so crazy how Beamers have this little pocket. Just filled it with oil. Got it all tidied up. Looks pretty good. Put this thing in. I think the little plastic is pretty fucking sick. After I did the modding on it, shit's pretty flush. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and to see how well it cleans up. Shit's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Shit. Let's wheel this on out. Away from most. Yeah. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna just start with this first and see how it goes. Alright, so pro tip coming from my dad, take diesel fuel, put it on the oil, let it soak, it eats that shit up like it's Chinese food. Let's see how it goes. Oh jeez, it's already working. Michelangelo would be so proud. And kerosene too, right? Because you told me kerosene
works, yeah.
So
any solvent, really.
Any solvent.
Mineral spirits. Yeah. It's just,
Oh, look at that shit, bud.
Yeah, everything's solvent based. You know what I mean?
Dude, I thought I was gonna be here for like a fucking year, bro. Holy shit.
No, you will be. This is only the first layer.
All right. So, with that said, I'm gonna start doing this shit and I'll update you guys in 3, 2, 1. Bro, this shit is happening real time. Like, this shit looks so bad before. Then watch this, look. I can start seeing them, man. That's crazy. Alright, so this is the result as of right now. I was taking a bunch of this stuff off the motor. I'm gonna take the water necks, the coolant lines, all that, such and such. Might leave it for another day, I don't know. Miami sun is fucking baking on me. But for the most part, this shit was doing its job. Alright, on another note, we're gonna head to the Cosmo Tire car meet. I gotta do a little thing before I go. Alright, so here's a tip. Well, actually, let me show you how bad it was. This shit's all burnt up and shit. The new one. Newer one. So when prying this out, always do section by section. It's fairly simple. Yeah, gonna put the new one on. open. Nice. Alright, hopefully this one works now. So with that said, bop. Yeah, fortunately I have a blade here. No bad boys, no friends. Alright, let's go plug the battery up. See if it works. Accidentally stopped filming it, but yeah, I'm gonna connect the battery and bing bang boom. Alright, so we made it. I didn't film too much because what time is it right now? It's like 4 o'clock. It's getting overstimulated. Alright, here's my buddy. What's about, guys? We got Matias in the building, Brian, Javi. Check out the raw welt behind you. Hey, the tri-spokes is the best, bro. Nobody does that anymore, man. But so you're on 295s in the rear? Yeah, it's not a big tire, bro. Yeah, it's not a super big tire. Huh? No, what's up, big dog? That's beautiful, man. Yeah, it's a work of art, bro. Yeah. I used to work for Mr. Classic, and he had a red one that got crashed, and I did the wide body on that. But because you don't ever see those wheels anymore either.
Oh, Teggies? No, they're
nah, dude.
These wheels are actually 3-piece, but they're welded together.
No fucking way.
So you guys sealed up the bolt holes? No way. Check that shit out. So I'm filming for my YouTube, bro. That's just crazy. If you didn't know, now you know.
That's yeah, you can. If you punch it here, you can feel the welds.
If you don't mind.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah.
They're very even though.
Yeah. Yeah. So now you don't have to silicone your shit. If you didn't know. Yeah, exactly. Monoblock. Yeah. No, that's fire, bro. Thank you for that. And what's your business? House of Skins. All right, so we got Eddie with House of Skins. Go give him a follow on Instagram, man. Your boy gets you right. You guys do rapping? Rapping, yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. You hear that shit? You get my Beamer looking good. Wait, but so this isn't a wrap, right? That's paint. Yeah. What number? What number are you?
I don't think there's numbers.
There's no numbers anymore? Damn, I think that means. Hey, good meeting you too, man. Yeah, take it easy, guys. Hey. Matias doesn't even know where he's at right now.
Where the fuck is that? Oh, Javi's right there.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
No, I was looking for Javi.
Oh yeah, people's home. Bloodline Sports. Guy goes there.
Run line sports.
Damn, they got Pringles.
Those things are sick.
Yeah, it's right. The older ones. Damn!
I fucking said it.
Damn!
Why don't you? You say it like if I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Look at those. Story on, my bad, not Lancer, story on. Shout out to boys. Shout out to boys. Those are cars you don't see very often. Damn. Yeah, I used to have my
not been resprayed either, right?
This car is, yeah, he has a bunch of music. Sick as fuck.
I had mine on American Racing fucking 3 pieces. Or, well, they were billet aluminum, like, wheel or whatever the fuck. I don't know how to say that shit right. But they hollow them out from a whole block of aluminum. The only thing is the drop. Too much going on. Hey, but shout out Enrique. Whole lot of gang shit.
Whole lot of gang shit.
If you need that cafecito,
Getting some new merch soon, so I'm
oh, for real, I gotta be repping that shit hard.
Hell yeah.
They did 1,000. That shit is hard beneath. Convertible S15 notch top.
That's what I'm saying. And the black tops are actually.
And the black notch top. That shit makes power.
Yeah. Esto está. This is like one of the rare shits like came out here.
Lines for tires, pa, ready?
Can I get it? Oh yeah.
Yo, $42,000. No. 35 for the conversion.
Oh shit.
Me hace falta 42 en hace YouTube, mira. En hace YouTube, mira. Me hace falta 42 millones para comprar esto. 42 mil. No, 42 mil. 42 mil.
Pero sí, 42 mil sí. 42 mil sí lo vale. Porque ese es de carro.
Ajá,
¿Llevo
exacto.
cuánto?
Oh, 350.
50 y 5 años aquí.
Ahí, gasta.
¿Cuánto carro de niño? 7, 8. Cero millas.
Cero millas.
McLaren.
What?
McLaren. Who stars? The kid just fucking vomited. It's got a K series.
This shit has a chopper. What the fuck?
What's the chopper?
It has a license plate.
Oh.
Yo,
It has a-
this
it has a
does.
license.
Hey, Chico, this does. Chico, you can drive this on street, bro.
Well, this is actually cool because the other one, I don't know if you ever
Yeah,
seen
with the-
Yanni. I don't like the ending.
I do like it.
You like the ending? So see, I like it because it's easier to visibility. But I
That shit is fucking sick because it has Lexan windows on the carbon.
I just don't like. I would like to have that, but I don't like how people.
Miami Sea Power?
Okay, babe.
Yo, look, it's Alex. They're making you walk, man. You got the R33. What's up, guys? What's up, bro? You guys going out to Homestead or not? Yeah, cars and coffee is fucking crazy.
That's all lit.
Bro, I'm not. Oh, what time did they start Them boys, Ross beat. They're shaking the cat open. It's a lot of speakers. He's dancing. Those are good too. Like the newer models.
That's good. You gotta be a fan.
You gotta wear it.
Oh, it's Slaughter.
You don't gotta worry.
Huh?
Slaughterhouse.
Oh yeah, that boy. Shit, saw that gang shit. The murder gang shit. Low gang shit. SSR's bitch. Oh my god. It's just a montage of me dancing. You gotta stick it in the back like that.
That's all you got. That's all you got.
This shit is going on till 9 o'clock. How much for the speakers? And he said all of them. All of them. That Green Goblin had a car? Yeah, studying. Some things just should not be built. It'll be, it's like, hey, if I build this, you think it'll get, it'll be cool? That'll be so cool. Just nah. Look, oh, we could go on the bleachers and get a cool fucking spot. It would be so sick. We get a bleacher seat and we just look at everybody from on top of the whips, on top of their cars. We could just be so cool. It's like not even ever heard of. Never even ever heard of.
Damn, your nose so big it freaking hit the.
So you just film up it?
No, that you hit the camera here with your nose, but you were still so far away from.
Oh my god. Nose test, how big is your nose?
That was funny.
It's all one cycle. Yeah, that's a Grand National. T-top too, that shit's crazy.
Hey Dylan, that's a C-Time car right there. Where? The Grand National.
Yeah. That's a C-Time car. Yeah, no, but the T-top is crazy. Yeah. The T-top is. Oh, that wide body fucking E90 is crazy.
Right?
Yeah, fuck with it, macho. That's your hard game. Hard. That's all you right there. Oh. Yo.
Damn.
But it doesn't even have big brakes. There's a fucking R34. There's a no man. There's way too many cars. And this is auto too. Large Village and auto. Oh my god! Auto, man. God bless JD. I'm not. That shit's it's got a Mustang under it, but it's a body swap. Yo, hey, that's a body kit. That's a fucking Fox body. That's the fucking motor I had in my 87. Funny. I'm dead. You're gonna grow up to be a takeover kid all day. Raised wheels. The bench behind it is hard as fuck. Alright, so we left. Here's a little sound clip. Little something like, you know what I'm saying? Little something like. Good turnout, I think. Would you say?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So that's Tropical Park if you ain't even know, based in South Florida. I don't know what this Hyundai Sport 2.0 T is doing. This is Florida 101 right here. You get your fucking driver's license out of a cereal box. Don't mind my seagulls, that's my PCV. Valve cover coming soon. No, it was a good event. It's just, bro, a lot of people, man. Like, I don't know, it's just me, but I get social anxiety, like, even though I'm a social person. But I had a good time, saw all the homies, saw a lot of homies, actually. Shout out Fada, shout out Maxi, shout out all the Rod Speed guys, shout out Brian Matias, obviously, Javi too, Javi pulled up. It was just good seeing everybody, you know. So, a little shortcut in the video, or not shortcut, but a little something for the intermission in the video, and then we're gonna get back to either tearing down the VQ, or I might do the valve cover on this car because your boy ordered the valve cover because of the seagulls that I have in my engine. Because if you didn't know, BMWs, if your car ever sounds like seagulls, it's not a pulley. It's your PCV has a crack in it, and there's not a lot of pressure in the valve cover because you're gonna have a boost leak also, and your car is just gonna run kind of bad. Cloud chill. So yeah, I'll show you guys all about that, or I mean, if you want a video, let me know explaining all that. I'll explain to you everything that you need for N55s to look out for. Other than that, shout out to my girlfriend for filming. I love you, baby. Wait, do the